Hi, my name's Richard Muse.
And my name's Dwayne Squires.
In this video I'm going to show you the cheapest place to buy northeast properties. Now when I say cheap, I mean lower value properties that are under £40,000. Generally there's lots of towns in County Durham that have these type of properties, and some of them have less properties under 30,000 if you're lucky. Now the main areas is Hartlepool. That's not in County Durham anymore, I'm afraid. That's in Cleveland, but there's an abundance of properties in that range from 25,000 up to 40,000–50,000 pound, and Hartlepool's a very good letting area. Bishop Auckland, again, that's in the town centre. There's properties well under 40,000. Again, a good letting area. On the outskirts, there's ones under 30,000, a little bit higher risk. Then into Ferryhill, again, from the 25,000–30,000 pound upwards, and always in demand. Trimden Station, it's on the northwest of Durham, a village on the northwest of Durham, a very good letting area, and properties there. I think we've just done one, actually, just sold one at 27,000 there. A nice property that's let at 350 a month. Wingate, which is a bit further on towards Hartlepool, nice area. Again, we sold a property there 2 years ago, actually. I did have one about 27,000, and the same tenant's still in, I believe. So quite a good area. Darlington. Now Darlington is one of my favourite areas. It's up and coming, but you can still get some good low value properties under the £40,000, and that would be my tip to where to start off at, because I really like that area, and good rental demand, and like I said, there's a lot of regeneration going on. Spennymoor, which is between Ferryhill and Bishop Auckland, again another good rental area, much in demand, and there's a lot of development going on in that area, like new builds, so it's a really up-and-coming area. Peterlee, yes, that's on the east coast of Durham, decent area, part of it. If you go into the Hordern area, you must be a little bit more careful. You can pick properties up there from 15,000 up over, but there's a reason why some of them are cheap. It's not a good area at the moment. But they're the ones I've mentioned are decent areas, and they really offer you good value to buy in the northeast.
That's really good. That's a really long list, Richard, but really good insight. So recap, so you're saying Hartlepool, Bishop Auckland, Ferryhill, Trimden, Wingate, Darlington, Spennymoor and Peterlee are the places now, as well as for the foreseeable future, where you see investors being able to buy cheap properties in the northeast.
Yes, it is. And my best tip is Darlington. That's number one. But don't discount the other areas. They're all good.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.